Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to add or edit fulfillment locations in your Shopify store. Managing your fulfillment locations helps you organize inventory, streamline shipping, and make sure orders are fulfilled from the right place. Let's walk through it together. From your Shopify dashboard, go to Settings. You can find it at the bottom of the left menu. From there, select Locations. This is where we manage all our locations. To add a new one, click Add Location. In this section, we want to make sure fulfillment is enabled. Check the box for fulfill orders from this location, so it is set as an active fulfillment location. Enter the name and address for the new location. Then review the details to make sure everything looks correct. Once we are happy with the information entered, click Save. And that is how we add or edit a fulfillment location in Shopify. Keeping locations properly set up helps us manage orders and ship more efficiently.